Module 2. Implementing Group Policy. The requirements needed in order to make the Module 2. Exercise 1. Create, edit, and scope a group policy object. Log on to DC1 and Administrator Permissions. Then open the Group Policy Management console from Administrative Tools. Expand Forest, Domain, FinalVision.com, Domain, and Group Policy Objects container. Right-click the Group Policy object and container and choose New. Then name box type Final Vision Standards and click OK. And then right-click Final Vision Standard GPO and select Edit. Right-click the root node of the console and select Properties. Click the Comment tab and type Final Vision Corporate Standard Policies, setting our scope to all users and computers in the domain. Person responsible for this GPO, type your name. Then click OK. Then expand User Configuration, Policies, Administrative Template, and check out all the policies and the settings. Then right-click Administrative Templates in the user's configurations and choose Filter. Select Enable Keyword Filters and checkbox. Filter for words type Screensaver. Then choose Exact in the drop-down box. Click OK. Browse to examine the screensaver policies that you have found. Then Control Panel, Display Node, click the Policy Settings Screensaver Timeout. Double-click the Policy Settings Screensaver Timeout, then read the explanation. Then click the Setting tab and select Enable. Then in the Seconds box, type 600. Then in the Comment tab, type Corporate IT Security Policy implemented with this policy in combination with the Password Protect the screensaver. Then click OK. Then double-click the Password Protect the screensaver policy setting and select Enable. Then Comment tab, type Corporate IT Security Policy implemented with this policy in combination with screensaver timeout. Then click OK. Then close the GPME, then right-click FinalVision.com and choose Link an existing GPO, select the Final Vision Standards GPO and click OK. Exercise 2. View the effects of Group Policy application. Right-click the desktop and choose Properties on DC1. Then click Screensaver. Then notice you can change the settings and then open Command Prompt and type gpupdate.exe then /force space /boot then then log off. This will refresh the group policy. Then you may now return to the screensaver settings and you should not be able to change the setting. Exercise 3. Explore a GPO. In the Group Policy Management console, select the Final Vision Standard GPO in the Group Policy container. Then, click the Scope tab. Notice that the GPO reports its link and in the link section. Click the Settings tab to see a report of the policy setting in the GPO. Then click Show All Link at the top of this setting report and this will display all that have been configured. Point the text for the policy screensaver timeout and then this is a hyperlink that will give you a detailed explanation of the policy setting. Then click the Details tab. This will show you the comments from the Comment tab. Then write down the unique ID on the Details tab. Then open the following Final Vision /sysbol /finalvision.com /policies. Then double-click the folder with the recorded folder number. This is the GPT of the GPO. Exercise 4. Explore administrative templates. Open the System Root Policy Definitions folder. Then open NS folder or folder for your region. Double-click Control Panel Display.adml. Open it up in Notepad. Then turn on Word Wrap from the Format menu. Search for the screen server is secure. Note the label, the explanatory text, then close the file and navigate to the Policy Definitions folder. Double-click Control Panel Display.admx and open it up in Notepad. Search for the text shown here. Then, search for the screen server is secure. Note the label, the explanatory text, then close the file and navigate to the Policy Definitions folder. Double-click Control Panel Display.admx and open it up in Notepad. Search for the text shown here. Then, identify the parts of the template that define the following: the name of the policy, settings that are appear in the GPME, the explanatory text, the registry key, the value affected by the policy setting, the data put in the registry if the policy is enabled, and the data put into registry if the policy is disabled. Exercise 5. Creating a central. In Group Policy Management Console, right-click Final Vision Standard and choose Edit. Expand User Configuration, Policies, and Administrative Templates. Then definition are ADMX. Open the following folder: finalvision.com, sysvol, finalvision.com, then policies. Then create a folder called Policy Definitions. Copy the contents of the system root policy definitions to the folder. Right-click the Final Vision Standards and select Edit. Expand User Configuration Policies, Administrative Templates, and then notice that the node reports policy definition ADMX files retrieved from the central store.